Hey, what's going on? It's Brendan King from the Brendan King Group at Real. This is your Monday market update for September 1st through the 7th. So it's been an interesting month or two for sure. Here's a 7-day glance at exactly what's going on. So on average, 99% of list price was received. Last week it was actually 98%. Average days on market is 28 days. Last week it was 27 days. And the weeks of supply is at 19.3 weeks of supply, which is up from last week of 17.5. What does all this mean? So inventory is increasing quite dramatically, but now it's kind of fizzled out as far as the increase. We're sitting in the 7,860 range of homes on the market. We were as low as 1,700 just a few months back. This historically is the fastest increase in inventory in history that Las Vegas has ever seen. Mostly due to high interest rates. Our interest rates have been pushed up to 6.5, and a lot of that has cooled demand and increased inventory, which then brings prices, which is the next question, down. So right now we are starting to see a significant amount of price decreases. I want to say just over 50% of the market has had some sort of price reduction in the past few weeks. I want to say today I saw the last 7 days there was 1,800 homes alone that had a price reduction, and that's just in the last 7 days. So let's check out the rest of the data. New inventory, 796 homes came on the market, which is down from last week. Active listings up again, 7,863. And like I said, not as dramatic of an increase as before. At one point, we were up 500 to 600 homes a week. This week, we're only up a couple dozen, from 7,838 to 7,863. Weekly sales, 407 homes sold this week. Last week, it was 448. Last year, it was 50% more than this, 600 homes sold. So just kind of showing you for perspective. Under contract, 526 properties. Last week was at 583. Our average weekly sales price is down again around $541,900, so $541,900. And the highest price home sold this week is $5,250,000. The luxury market especially has slowed down quite significantly, and mostly it's all due to cash flow. Honestly, most luxury homes don't trade with typical interest rates or typical loans. Most of them actually sell for cash. But in a market where there's a $5 million house and you see a downwards trend, the last thing you want to do is drop $5 million on a house that's going down. So what we're seeing right now is buyers and sellers both in a standoff and just staring at each other. Some of that now is starting to come to fruition. I've noticed sellers are starting to realize that there's nothing they can do and there's not going to be a change anytime soon. So they are starting to give in and decrease price by anywhere on average from 4 to 6%. And I think that's taking the froth off the top of the market right now and starting to decrease prices. So we've definitely seen quite a bit of price reductions, some of them ridiculous 0.2 or 0.1 reductions, but on average, I would say somewhere in that 4 to 6% range. It's, just trying to get the energy back with the buyers to get them to want to purchase again. One thing we're seeing too is some loan programs out there to help this. Our lenders called us this week with a 2-1 buy down. What this means is if someone is quoted a 6% rate, say, what they'll do is have the seller contribute to buy down the loan. So the first 2 years, if you're quoted at 6, first 2 years you'll pay 4. So year 1, 4%, year 2, 4%. Year 3, it jumps to 5%. And then year 4, it jumps to 6, with the assumption by most of the people in finance right now that rates will be lower in the near term, 3 years or less. And that's why they came up with this program. The lenders want to give people an opportunity to get into a home, build some equity, and equally be able to afford it for now until the point when interest rates start to come back down again. And I think Carly said it best. You marry the house, you date the interest rate. Carly from our team had mentioned this the other day, and I thought it was a good way to put it. You can still get in a house right now, and this 2-1 buy down is a great way to do it. Buyers have a lot of advantage. I looked at a house today. We're going to put in $70,000 below list, and we're going to ask for closing costs as well. That's just the way the market is right now. Buyers do have a pretty good advantage on certain price points, especially. Don't forget, we can text this to you every single week if you text MARKET to 702-553-1955. Text MARKET to 702-553-1955. And as always, if you hop on our newsletter, you can also get it that way. We will send our market update through the newsletter every once in a while. But equally, the best way is to text MARKET, and we will get it directly to your text links every single week. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Bye.